Meet Joe. Joe had a lot of money in the stock market, but fortunately for him, his financial advisor warned him ahead of time that he should diversify a portion of his money out of the stock market and place it instead in a variety of asset classes. Joe did just as he was instructed, and boy was he glad he listened, because he would have lost nearly 40% of his portfolio if he hadn't followed the advice. Volatility in the stock market quickly changes the game and makes it very problematic if you seek dynamic investments that are consistent, secure, and reliable. Time and time again, honest, hardworking Americans lose a lifetime of savings in the gamble game that is the stock market. Whether you are planning for retirement, funding your children's education, saving for a vacation property, or simply looking for safe investments that yield monthly residual returns, you'll find an abundance of opportunity investing into real estate. Watching stocks go up and down doesn't help you pay the rent, mortgage, or help you buy groceries at the end of the day. Having a check in the mail every month helps you take care of that. Real estate can create consistent cash flow every month with substantial tax advantages.
If you are looking for a way to provide consistent, passive monthly income for you and your family without day trading or getting another W-2 job, Lone Paul No Investment Properties will provide that solution with done-for-you real estate investing.
Many investors' wealth is set up in a portfolio that is like a one-legged table with stocks, bonds, annuities, and mutual funds, which is really one asset class. If you have a bunch of these, many people will tell you that you are diversified.
When you get a year like 2008 and it breaks that leg, the table collapses. That is why L&P suggests that you have many legs and asset classes to your table: art, oil, real estate, gold, stocks, equipment leasing. Many different ideas that are focused on cash flow. The check is in the mail. David Rockefeller said the key to his happiness was the check is in the mail, knowing that every month a check was going to be sitting in his mailbox. Lone Paul No Investment Properties will provide an additional leg to your table.
How would you feel if you could go to the mailbox every month and be collecting checks for hundreds or thousands of dollars in cash flow?
Lone Paul No Investment Properties can take the fear and uncertainty out of real estate investing and consistently yield you a 10% to 30% annual return on investment backed by actual real estate.
They'll get an action plan devised that is tailored to your short and long-term financial goals and objectives. Contact them today, and they'll demonstrate how to create consistent cash flow for you every month with their Buy, Hold cash flow program.